Welcome to Wildrose Media's Winter Craft Box tutorial. In this video, I will be teaching you how to create the star bookmark. Begin by emptying your craft kit onto your work surface. In the kit, you'll find a packet of stickers, a loop of twine, some star confetti in a plastic baggie, and a bookmark. You'll also need the Crayola crayons from your winter craft box. You'll be decorating the outside of the bookmark, so open it up and flip it over. You can use the crayons in your box, the stickers, the paint from the box, or any other decorative items you have at home to make it your own. I decided to do a patriotic red and blue theme, but if you wanted to do something more New Year's Eve or birthday party, you can even draw pictures on it if you want, hearts, stars, happy faces, whatever you want to do. I'm going to use the silver stars today. Once it's decorated, you'll want to add the baggie of the star confetti. It's important to place the baggie opening against the inside crease of the card. Peel the backing off of both of the top stickers on the right-hand side. Then place the bag with confetti horizontally on top of those stickers. Close the bookmark just to make sure that you have the placement correct before you press down too hard. Then you want to peel off the rest of the stickers, the one at the bottom right, two at the left sides, and then at the top. Carefully fold the bookmark in half and press down all around the edges to seal it. Next, you'll add the twine loop. You'll do that by pinching the loop portion between your fingers and pressing it through the hole. Open up the loop and press the knotted end through the loop and pull the knotted end up gently until it's snug. If you like, you can cut the knot off and have the ends hang freely. And there's your bookmark. Thanks for watching.